Hey guys, David Rocco here, and I'm gonna make a delicious lasagna using these butternut squash sheets. I'm just going to dredge them in flour, just like that. Kind of looks like lasagna now. Just gonna add some olive oil, a little bit of salt, and cracked pepper. Good brush. Just flip them over and do the same thing for the other side. I'm gonna throw these into a preheated oven, 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. I'm gonna saute some spinach. And that's it. Our sauteed spinach is ready to go. Now I'm just gonna crisp up some prosciuttos. We got all this beautiful crispy prosciutto, which is gonna add so much flavor. So this is how we're gonna do it. We're gonna add butternut right to the pan. And now cheese, we have provolone cheese. And now the spinach. I'm going to add bits of crispy prosciutto, butternut squash on top. But we're not done. We're gonna add another layer. So let's make mom happy, more spinach. We're gonna add more crispy prosciutto, more cheese, and then lastly, some butternut squash. Now this is gonna go back into the oven around 400 degrees for about 10-15 minutes so all that cheese melts. It's come out of the oven, I've let it cool for a bit, and now I'm just gonna cut it into lasagna pie. So good.